lot of people have been asking me how to apply for Turkiye Bursları Scholarship. Okay, so first of all, you'll go to your browser. After you go to your browser, you'll type Turkey Burslari. So you'll see this. This is the link. So make sure you click the right link. Okay, when it brings you to this place, you'll just come here, application and login. While I'm navigating here, you just click on it. Okay, so a lot of people have been telling me like they don't know how to create an account. Okay, so when it brings you to this place, you are going to click on this register. After clicking on this register, so you are going to put your name here and then put your father's name and then your last name. If you are having two names, then it's fine, you put your name. And then here you are coming here to select your gender, maybe you are male or female, and then here you will like add your date of birth. So maybe I am born like 2023 June like first. So you see I've added. Then you will choose your nationality. So let's say I am from Nigeria. Okay, so you see Nigeria is here, right here. So you will put your email here at this and that, this and that. So you'll also come here and put exactly what you put here. Make sure you repeat the email same. So when you come to create password, so you should make sure that you create a very strong password and make sure you repeat something here, so it's all fine, you have nothing to worry about it. So when you come to this place, great question. So I know a lot of people like have been confusing what is this straight question. So let me tell you what this straight question is. So straight question is like you just put what you will not forget. Like let's say my mother. So I know that I'll never forget my mother's name. Okay, then the answer would be Zainab. So you see, like if you want, you can put your girlfriend's name. If you want, you can put your father's name. You can ask yourself a question and then answer the question yourself. Okay, then come here and click this I'm not a robot. Make sure you click it. A lot of people have been forgetting with this place, and then click on this approve. After you click on this approve, then you click on this save. So they will send you an email, then you go to the email and then activate your account. Okay, so I already have an account. Let me just get back and log in into the account. Okay, let's log in into the account, so I'll show you how the thing really works. So as you can all see guys, let me just click on this login. So whenever you come in here, you are not starting with this home page, you are starting with this personal information. You click on this personal information, so it will show you a place here, like a button here to edit. You will come and select your gender and select your marital status and select your date of birth. After that, you will select your nationality, that's Nigeria. You select country of birth, that's Nigeria. Depending on the country you are, then city of birth, you all put this. So depending on the type of identity you are to use, like if you are to use your national ID card, is accepted. If you are to use your international passport, driving license, or any other means of identification, so it's accepted in this scholarship. But remember, whatever you selected, so you have to like come here and put their ID number. So standard type of paper is normal standard. So this one is like Nigeria, so it's NG. If you are from Saudi Arabia, SA, like Ghana, GH. So depending on the country you are. So this is the where you'll upload your password or your national ID card or any ID you uploaded. So this is where to upload it. So I already applied, that's why it's not showing me the place to upload. So you select your religion, and when it comes to this disability status, you choose I don't have any disability. Maybe you are a scholar, you understand, maybe you are asthmatic patient or you having any like disability, so you select disability here. But if you don't have, you'll just like select I don't have any disability. So information and hobbies, like let's say related to what you want to study. So I want to study like let's say computer science. So when I come to this information, you just write little bit information about what you want to study, and you understand, not full, just little, like you like this, you like to study this because you have this career, you are doing this in your part time, you like doing this. So this is what they require. It's not necessary, but it's very important. So when it comes to the hobbies, you come here and edit and then add up your hobbies. You understand, you can select whatever you want to select. If you want breathing, if you want tiara, if you want food, you can all select what you want and then click on the save. So it's fine, you understand. So after that, when it comes to this special talent, you're going to like select what you want to. Maybe you want a flute, you understand, you can select flute. You want wrestling, you can select. So all these are not necessary but very important, so you have to make your application very content. So After you finish with this, that's enough, man. You come here to the contact info. So contact info like country, Nigeria or Ghana or Gambia, depending on the country you are, USA, Europe, you understand. So you select the country. City, you select the city. Postal code, you search this on Google, like depending on the region you are. So if your house is having door number, you put, you understand. If it's not having, then you put random things that you may not forget. And then you put your street, you understand, like the street you are, and then you put your mobile phone number, and then you understand. So this is just random application I tell you guys. So I just then you come to this family information, like you put your mother's name. Is she alive? Yeah. If she is not alive, may Almighty have mercy upon her or him. So you select his position or her position, you understand, and title. So you see, I like upload this. So they will ask you a place like to select what's their monthly income. So you wanna apply for scholarship. So scholarship is actually for those who are in need of help. You understand? So you should actually select a range of $100 to $250. I guess is all right for you. So after that, you will scroll to this education information. So this education information, you understand, so it's where you are to upload your WAEC if you are applying for like high school. I mean bachelor, so you have to upload your high school here. If you are applying for degree, I mean masters, so you have to upload your degree results here. So you'll come to this language, you understand. After you come to this language, you select your native language. Let's say I'm Hausa, I selected it. Okay, if there is any other language, then you are going to select it also. It's fine. Like I know Arabic, Kanuri, like it's very very good. You understand. So when it comes to these Turkish skills, do you speak Turkish? Yeah, I little bit skill. Like beginner, yeah, I'm beginner. Maybe you are advanced or intermediate, so you can also select that. So do you have certificate to like? No, no, no. I don't have any certificate. So if you don't have certificate, you will like they will ask you why do you know like why do you learn Turkish? So I learned Turkish in Duolingo, so I used to practice Turkish in Duolingo. So you can also like maybe you learn Turkish in drama, maybe you learn it in somewhere you understand or a friend. So you can all put where you learn. If you don't know how to speak Turkish, you can put no. It's alright. Then when it comes to this work experience, you understand it's not necessary but very important. Let me tell you why I say it's very important, because whenever you are applying a scholarship, they need very experienced person. So these are some of the places I work. You understand? So you just like put wherever you work, even if it is a security or a guardman. You understand? You can put. You understand? Because it's all part of skill. And it is count as skills. So CV like curriculum vitae, you come here like let me delete this and see. Okay, you come and select here. You understand? And let me say like I upload CV and then you save it. So make sure you have your CV with you. Yeah. So then when it comes to this academic qualification, you understand. I already uploaded my high school. So if you are applying for masters, you have to upload your bachelor's. If you are applying for PhD, you have to upload your master's certificate. So when it comes to the social activities, you understand, maybe you get a lot of certificates, medals, you understand, so you can all put them here. It's not necessary, but it increases, I mean it alters the rate of how you can get accepted. So make sure you make your application very content so that you get selected. So I have participated in many things, you understand. So you come here and write all the certificates you are having, you understand. So it's fine. I all have this certificate. Let me show you how it is. So they will give you a place where you'll upload the certificate. Don't forget. So I uploaded the certificate. As you can see, the certificate is here. So it's all fine, man. Don't worry. If you don't have it, it's fine, but it's better to upload it and then describe what the certificate is talking about actually. So and then put the date. If you can't recall the date, I guess you can recall the year, then try to like make something. So when it comes to these voluntary activities, it's very important, you understand. So there is a time like it flowed in my country, I mean in my state, so I take part on it, you understand. So food and shelter distribution, like in other one NGO, Childman Foundation. So all what like voluntary activities, maybe you are teaching or maybe you are tutoring, or understand, or maybe in your area whenever anything emergency happens, you are the first people to respond. So it's all part of voluntary activities. Yeah, this one will make you very very like eligible for the scholarship. I mean it will increases the chances of you getting this accepted by this scholarship. Okay, Turkey experiences, you understand. I guess no one has visit Turkey, so if you have visit, you will select yes. If no, yeah, you just select. You understand. is part of all what it will make your application to be very content. So don't mind about this my application now, you understand. So you see, as you can all see, these places like are ticked, you understand, they are all ticked, are marked, so that means I have completed them. So then you come back to this home page. After you come back to this home page, okay, let me delete this application and show you. So this is where you select whether you are applying for masters, bachelor's degree, or PhD, or even research. So let's say I'm applying for a bachelor's degree, so I'll click on this bachelor's degree. So you see, I will select the upper one because like I attended science class. If you attended art class, so your art courses, you are select the second one, but let me select the first one. So likewise, if you are applying for masters, you click here, don't worry. So after I click on this undergraduate, I accept everything, you understand. So this is where I'll begin my application. So this is just application condition, you understand. You'll just like read and then accept, you understand. After accepting it, it's totally fine, guys. So you can begin your application. So when it comes to this preference, you understand, this is where you will select your university. So you just come here and select the course you want, you understand. Let's say I want agriculture. So like you see, there's a lot of universities. As you can all see, the medium of teaching is Turkish, and duration is 4 years. I select, you understand. So I save, it will be added, and mind you, whichever university you selected at the beginning, so it's your first priority, you understand. That's your first preference. So let me select agricultural genetics. So this is only one university is offering. In niche language is English, so this one is English. So maybe you have to check on the university website to see what are their requirements. So if I want to like make this Nixim Umeri University to my first choice, so I will just click, and then you see I shift it up, you see it becomes, so you can maybe you decided later to change your mind, so you select up to 8 universities, you understand. After this, you just come and select of this intent letter. So don't forget to like make your intent letter to be very strong, you understand. So let's say you can select you can up to like 3,000 characters, as you can see here is fine. So when it comes here, you understand, here like if you have any complaint, like you want to draw the attention of the evaluation committee, so you can like write your complaint here. So I guess the evaluation committee will check on this, so you have no issue on this. So this interview location, so I told you I'm in Nigeria. So if you are like, you just select your country. So I'm in Nigeria, so like select Nigeria. So after Nigeria's interview city, they will ask you. So maybe if you are from the north, you should choose Abuja. If you are from the like south, you should choose Lagos. So I will choose Abuja because I'm from the north. It's very mobile to me. It's very accessible to me anytime. So after that, you will just come to this reference information. You understand? After what's reference information is just recommendation letter. So preferably you just come here and write the name of who give you the reference and write his phone number here. You understand, his surname, his email, the institution he is working, maybe he collected from your school, you understand, you put your school name, or any institution like who gave you that reference is working, you have to put like title or position, maybe he's a principal, maybe he's a HOD, you understand, and then upload the reference information. As you can see, I uploaded, just like click on the save button. So it is better, you understand, to like add up to 2 reference information. And then these scholarship programs are other scholarships that are under this scholarship. So if you want to be selected from the merit scholarship, you click yes. So you read this one accordingly, because there are some countries that are eligible for this, and there are some that are not eligible for it, you understand. So you have to like carefully check on this, if yes yes, if no no. So it depends on the individual who is applying for this. So after that, you will come and click on the summary. It will give you like full information about your application. Whenever you see any mistake, you wanna go back and edit, so you can go back and edit it peacefully. So after this, when you click on submit, that's all, you submitted the application. Then best of luck, you understand. So this place is my application, is where you will track your application, you understand. So when you submit your application, you will see application awaiting evaluation. So this is why you will be checking your, and mind you, you will not receive any email when you submit. So email you will only receive when you are accepted or when you are rejected. So I wish you best of luck. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your amazing brothers, sisters, and families, you are all welcome. So when you want to download the full format of your application, you click on this and it will be downloaded. You see, it's already added to my cart. Thank you for watching. You are welcome. Wish you best of luck.